Tutu and his brave dog. Long ago there was a beautiful village, and there lived happily a boy named Tutu. Tutu loved animals, and many animals were living with him on his farmyard. All the animals were good friends of each other, and they used to play together on the farmyard. At daytimes, Tutu remained busy with his animals, and in nights they rest in their homes. Tutu had made beautiful homes for all his animals. Cows, sheep, and goats were living in barns, and horses had a beautiful stable to live in. In colorful coops, hens were living with their chicks, and dogs had kennels to live in. On that farmyard there was a beautiful pond where ducks were living with baby ducklings. It was a cold winter night when all the animals were sleeping in their cozy, warm homes. Only one of the dogs of Tutu was making rounds around all the animals' homes to look after them. Suddenly he saw flames of fire coming outside the barn. Knowing that the lives of animals were in danger, Two started barking loudly near Tutu's home. Tutu heard the noise of dew and came out of his home. He filled his buckets with water from pond. He put water on fire, and soon it was in control. Tutu was very happy with Dew for its brave actions. All the animals thanked Dew for saving their lives.